potato fried rice, a one-pot wonder bursting with flavors, ready within a mere 20 minutes. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. Let's kick things off, shall we? In a pot, let's melt a tablespoon of ghee. Ghee, the secret weapon that truly elevates any dish. Once melted, let's add a symphony of spices. 1 star anise, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, a small cinnamon stick, a few cloves and peppercorns, 2 green cardamoms, and 1 black cardamom. Fry these delightful spices for about 2 minutes until your kitchen is enveloped in a fragrant cloud of aromas. Next up, add in 1 cup of halved baby potatoes. Now I'm using tinned potatoes for their swift cooking prowess. Let's give them a good fry for another 2 minutes. Once they've acquired a touch of color, it's time to introduce 1 mug of washed and soaked basmati rice into the mix. Give it a hearty stir. Don't forget to toss in half a cup of chopped coriander to infuse that herbal essence. Now pour in 2 mugs of water. Oh, and here's a clever tip. Add 1 whole green chili for that delightful aroma without overwhelming spice. Bring this wonderful concoction to a boil, slap on the lid, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for a cozy 15 minutes. Voila! Behold the beauty and fluffiness of this rice. You could savor this as a complete meal on its own, or pair it splendidly with one of my curry recipes from the channel. To add that extra crunch, why not garnish it with some fried onions? The textures. Thank you ever so much for tuning in once more. I hope this dish adds a bit of delight to your day. Now what would you lovely viewers fancy seeing me whip up next?